Good morning student, hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 5 more on Photoshop. In this chapter we have discussed already about the paint tools. So in this video we are going to discuss paint tool, brush, history of brushes, gradient tool. Now in last video we have discussed about the brush. Okay, now we are going to continue our video. So let's see student. Now we continue retouching tool. So in this tool what we are going to discuss our touching tool. This tool help us to change the appearance of the selected area of the image. Okay. So next is spot healing brush tool. This tool help us to repair imperfections like blemishes, dark spot, scratches or other unwanted element from an image. You can see in your image spot healing brush tool. Firstly open the image file, select the spot heal brush tool. Now choose the brush size from the option bar. Which size you want, then you choose from there. Okay, so you can see in this image, click on the drag over the spot to get it repaired. So where is the spot, then you click there, then spot is automatically removed from the picture. You can see, practically you can see better, this type we can erase. Now retouching tool, patch tool. So next is our patch tool. Using patch tool, you can select the unwanted element from the image and replace them with the matching content from the surroundings. This tool is quite similar to healing brush, except that with the patch tool you can define that selection where you want to apply the effect. To use this tool, right click on the spot healing brush tool and select the patches tool from the tool panel. Okay. In the option bar, click on the drop down list adjacent to the patch option and choose the context aware patches mode from the display list. Okay, so next is drag a line with the patch tool. Firstly we drag the line with the patch tool around the part of image to be replaced. Which part you want to replace, then you draw the line. Now drag the selection over the area from which you want to generate a fill from. Okay, so when you retouch, next is our content aware move tool. So some content if you want to aware from there, then you use this tool. Is used to select and move the extend any part of a picture to another area of your image without the use of layer and mask. Okay, so as we move, the area left behind is filled using matching elements from the existing background. Okay, existing background जो हमारे पास already available है. Right click on the spot healing brush tool. Spot healing brush को हम select करेंगे. Select the context aware move tool from the tool panel. Okay, and after that drag the mouse pointer to select the area that is to be moved. Means जिस एरिया को आप मूव करना चाहते हो उसको आप select करोगे. Now click and drag the selected area to different location. Okay, you can see this image. Then this image we move our picture behind the tigers. You will observe that the hole which is left behind get filled with the matching element. Okay. Now is clone stamp tool. Clone stamp tool. Clone means उसी की duplicate copy होना, that is the clone. This tool allow you to duplicate the part of an image by taking the sampled pixel from an image and cloning them onto the another area. Okay. Cloning work better than cropping as it retain the soft edges and detail on the detail and give the more realistic duplicate image. मीन्स जो हम कॉपी करते हैं या उससे ये अच्छे से आपको शो करता है. देखना, ओपन एन इमेज एंड सेलेक्ट द क्लोन स्टैम्प. ओपन किया इमेज को, क्लोन स्टैम्प को हमने सेलेक्ट किया. सेलेक्ट द ब्रश टाइप, विच ब्रश यू वांट टू अप्लाई, इट्स साइज एंड hand hardness. Select the blend mode of your choice, which your choice. Set the opacity for the stroke and the other option for the tool in the option bar. opacity क्या होता है कि उसकी darkness lightness कितनी है वो हम उससे सेट करते हैं. To define the stamp, the cursor shape change to the टारगेट सिंबल. ओके, जो कर्सर की शेप है वो टारगेट सिंबल में डिफरेंट चेंज हो जाएगी. क्लिक ऑन द एरिया ऑफ द फ्लावर इमेज टू बी क्लोन्ड. ओके, जो एरिया आपने क्लोन करना है उस एरिया को आप चूज करोगे. नाउ क्लिक एंड ड्रैग अलोंग द एरिया वेयर द क्लोन्ड इमेज टू बी क्रिएटेड. ओके, सो वेयर यू वांट टू क्रिएट, देन यू select the area. You can see in this picture beta that is the original flower. While the drag brush shine plus appear the original flower image corresponding circle. Okay, save the image and close it. Okay, सेव करेंगे इमेज को और इसको क्लोज कर देंगे तो your things will be edited. Next is blur brush. Blur tool is a great way to change the focus of the selected portion of the image. Okay, now this tool soften the selected area of an image by giving it a blurred effects. Open any image and Photoshop. Click on the blur tool and select the desired brush size and style from the brush preset picker. Specify the effect mode and select the strength for the stroke from the option bar. Drag the mouse pointer over the area that you want to blur. Okay, which you want to blur, then you select that image. Sharpen tool. Sharpen means your image look very clear. Sharpen tool is the contrast of the blur tool. This tool is let you improve the clarity of our image by sharpening the outline of an image more prominently. Next is smudge tool. Smudge tool, as the name implies, allow you to smudge tool the image around as if you drag your figure through the wet paint. Firstly आप drag करेंगे. This tool picks up the color from where the stroke began and spread it in the direction you drag your mouse. जिस डायरेक्शन में अपने माउस को ड्रैग करोगे उसी डायरेक्शन में आपकी इमेज हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट इज ड्राइंग एंड टाइप टूल्स. ड्राइंग एंड टाइप टूल्स. Type tools The type tool is used to add the text and image. This tool provides plenty of the setting of the control the text properties. Okay, you can see, click on the text type tool. Type tool पे click करेंगे हम. There is a T right. Select the option like the font, size, color, bold, underline. These tool we और italic from the option bar. वहाँ से हम चूज करेंगे बेटा इसको. उसके बाद click on the image that you want to add text. Means उस image पे click करेंगे जहाँ पे आप text add करना चाहते हो. Type the desired text. Then you can type desired text. You can choose the color option also. There are so many colors are available. Click on the check marks button on the option bar and the text editing. Option bar पे option है check marks का. Next is wrapping text. Wrapping text का मतलब होता है बेटा move करना your text को. Wrapping is the use the position the letter of the text in the different shape. Okay, there is a different step to use the wrap option. Follow the steps. There are some steps. Firstly, go to select the type tool from the tool panel. टाइप टूल हमने ओपन किया. एंटर द टेक्स्ट. एंटर करेंगे टेक्स्ट, कोई भी टेक्स्ट एंटर कर सकते हैं हम. यहाँ पे यू कैन सी देर इज़ अ कलर ऑल्सो. सेलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट एंड क्लिक ऑन द क्रिएटेड रैप्ड ऑप्शन. कहाँ पे जाएंगे? क्रिएटेड रैप्ड ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द ऑप्शन बार. ऑप्शन बार से हम रैप्ड ऑप्शन चूज करेंगे. सो देर इज़ अ टेक्स्ट रैप डायलॉग बॉक्स विल बी ओपन. या आपके सामने ओपन हो गया. यू कैन सी इन योर इमेज देयर इज अ रैपिंग डायलॉग बॉक्स विल बी ओपन. क्लिक ऑन द ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट, ड्रॉप डाउन एरो. देयर इज अ स्टाइल ऑप्शन एंड सेलेक्ट द फिश स्टाइल. फिश स्टाइल हमने चूज किया यहाँ से. सेलेक्ट द ओरिएंटेशन. ओरिएंटेशन मीन्स आपको वर्टिकल में करना है, हॉरिजॉन्टल में करना है. उसकी ओरिएंटेशन हम सेट करेंगे बेटा यहाँ से. इफ़ नीडेड स्पेसिफाई द वैल्यू. अगर आपको फील होता है कि आपको स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा तो फॉर द एडिशनल ऑप्शन गिवन द रैप टेक्स्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स. देन क्लिक ऑन द ओके बटन टू अप्लाई रैप स्टाइल. यू कैन सी इन दिस इमेज देयर इज अ फिश and inside the fish there is a text appear. With the help of move tool, place the text where you want to place. Save your file for future use. You can give the name of your file and then save. Okay, now save file for future. Shape line tool. Shape line tool. Adobe Photoshop provide various types of value, various types of shape for the drawing, both filled as well as unfilled. Okay, shapes including the rectangle, ellipse, polygon or custom shapes. You can see in this image there are the different shape. Open a new file. Firstly you open a new file. Right click on the rectangle and select the custom shape tool. Okay, custom shape means you can click on the drop down arrow. There are the shapes menu option bar appear. Which shape you want to apply, then you select the required shape. For example, flower 7, we choose from there flower 7. To access more shape, you can click the gear icon. There are gear icon on the right side of the shape panel. Okay, select the desired color from the fill option in the option bar. To fill color in the shapes. Drag the mouse to draw selected shape, and after adjust the size, the mouse button, okay, release the mouse button. When you set your size, then you release your mouse button. I hope you understand all the topics, students. So thanks for watching this video.